Hello everyone, I welcome you all again in my new video. So here, like as I mentioned yesterday in yesterday's video about the budget 2022, that I'll not be taking any new positions, overnight positions, and I was actually not carrying any overnight positions during this budget time because it's quite because as I mentioned, if the RR ratio is not in your favor, because during this budget or during any event, actually your risk is more than your reward, so it's better to avoid taking that huge risk. But yeah, of course, as you know, like after the budget I took positions and I was able to book a quite a good profit. So I will tell you exactly like how much profit I was able to book, and how were my positions, at what level did I took this position. So we'll discuss about that, and then we'll discuss somewhat like so like if we talk somewhat about the budget, so there was not very much like the expectations, but we were thinking of, there were no big announcement in the budget. But yeah, there was some tax relief to the persons with disability. There was actually a tax imposed on virtual assets or crypto as well. 30% tax is imposed, and there is no income tax slab increase for the salaried people. So there was no major any of the changes done or for the people who basically we can say the salaried people who pay income tax. So yeah, the tax the budget was quite kind of, we can say it was not a positive, it was not a negative, so it was quite good. But the one thing which I want to highlight is that budget doesn't have any major decisions on any of the banks, so which actually, because of which you can say the bank nifty actually performed really well, and we couldn't see a lot of volatility after the budget, as we expect that mostly, as I mentioned yesterday as well, that during any kind of announcement there can be a sudden volatility and the market or the bank nifty can go at any levels. But since there was no big announcement or no major decisions were done for any of the banks, so actually the bank nifty didn't give that kind of move. Yeah, of course, in the morning hours, if you see, the bank nifty has given very big moves and before the budget. But after the budget, since the budget was quite positive and there was no major kind of announcement related to banks, so it was quite good, and it performed really well, and we have seen a really good theta decay as well. So let's see, like I'll just attach my profit video maybe, and I'll just show you like what are positions I have posted this on my Twitter timeline as well. You can go and watch there, and I'll post it here as well, attach it, so the positions I took. But before that, let's go to the tomorrow's analysis, 2nd Feb, what I'm expecting for tomorrow. So yeah, profit, like as I mentioned, 5.4 lakh profit I booked. You can see my position. I will attach my video here. So like it was quite clear, like after the budget, as I mentioned, there was not a big volatility, and there was a very good theta decay after the budget because of the IV crush. So this is the profit screenshot which I have attached. You can see my positions from here. Hope you will get an understanding from this. So that's why we could see a very good theta decay. So I'll show you to the analysis as well. So for this, let's go to the chart and see the analysis for this. So yeah, if we see this one, so as you can see today, the bank nifty, how actually during any event, how the bank nifty, how any of the index behaves, or so you can see the moves it has given. It has given this kind of move, so it's always better not to trade in this kind of market. So if we see on the level, so till this time 30 it didn't acted like, so if you can see the kind of move it has given, so here as the volatility was very high, so that's what I mentioned, that it's not at all advisable to basically trade in this kind of volatility. So once the speech was over, like the FM has already declared the budget, then I took my positions. And so first I'll discuss about tomorrow's level. So for today, see, after the budget, as well as we know, the market can react in any way. So that's also we need to take care. So whatever levels I'm telling you might be that can help in your intraday positioning, but would not recommend too many overnight position for this one, because we need to check see on the market how much the market reacts after the budget. So that we have to see. So if I talk about the levels, so the first one, if we talk on the upside, so the upside, as you can see, the first level which I am looking is this one, 38,600. So if tomorrow market opens above this and was is able to sustain above this level, the next level which I will be looking for is this 38,800 levels, and then it can go beyond this. So here our buy comes into picture. We can go long after this, and after this next level will be 39,000. Then going to the downwards movement, so this one I have marked it. So first level we'll check for is below 38,300. And of course, like if you don't want to take 38,300, maybe 38,200 levels I will look for. After that, obviously 38,000 will be a psychological resistance, sorry, psychological support for this. So first I will, if tomorrow market opens below 38,300 and goes below this, so first break I will look for 38,000, and after that, of course, the levels which we have discussed last week, that is 37 500, we'll look for the next support. So these are the levels which I am telling you. So again, I am repeating, these levels we can decide only on the intraday basis, because market is volatile, and after the budget we need to monitor the market as well, like how the market behaves. So it's better to be cautious, and as I always mention, have a check on your risk and reward. And if you think it's not working as per your setup, it's better not to trade than to take over risk. So if the market tomorrow works on this level, surely you can trade and go and check this position, but it should sustain on this, above this level or below this level, to create a new trade. So this is all what I wanted to discuss in this video. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel and like this one, and share it with the ones who may be interested in learning trading related facts. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.